clean my puppy. Oh. This is Mr Snickers, and he is a puppy, and he is a toy cavoodle. Okay, today we'll be going to show you how to wash your puppy. You're gonna put Snickers in the bath. Then you stand up outside of the edge. And we're gonna use a special type of soap because dog skins are really sensitive. We fill the bath with warm water, and we fill the bath with warm water, and we're gonna put Mr Snickers inside it. But first, we need to check so he doesn't burn it. Okay. First, I'm gonna test if the temperature's okay. Now let's put him in the bath. Yeah. Well, it's kind of hot. He might be a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna come in now. Oh, wait. Oh, this is heavy. Stay sticky, stay. I'm gonna pour it in. I think you shouldn't be scared. Wow, you did it! He might get scared and try and come out. Okay. Now we're going to use this oroivde and put some more Snickers. Yeah. I'm going to change into my swimsuit because I don't want to get wet and I want to sit in the bath so it'll be easier with Snickers. So let's make good dogs. My assistant Lucas is going to hand me the shampoo. Thank you, Rudy. Can Alice do it? I'm fine. Now I just need to put some on my hands. Hi, Snickers. Come on, stay. Look. Hi. Oh, he looks so cute. And now I'm going to clean him. Clean my puppy. He looks like a dog. He's a dog after. I love you. Scrub. Oh, he's so fluffy. You know, Snickers now. Okay. This makes it easy. I'm going to clean his tail, his head. Gotta make lots of bubbles, lots of shampoo. Shake. Oh, feels so nice. I need more shampoo so I can wipe his tummy. These. Good. Now I'm gonna clean his tummy. Feel you shivering. Assistant, pass me the bucket. And then the plastic for you. And pop up. So we're coming back. Okay, give me my bucket. I'm gonna swim. Now my assistant is gonna join me. And he has dinosaur stuff. What is he doing? And now we have to do this. We need to do elevate this and that. Elevate this and that. Now we have to put this. And now Snickers is stuck on me. No. And I tummy. Yes, his ear, his head, his tail. Oh, so fluffy. But do not put soap on his eyes because it might burn his eyes. There's no biting. Can you talk so I can tell you how painful it is? Snickers thinks water is his enemy because he hates water. Repeat. Lucas, can you pull the bucket? Pull it on my dog. Oh, that is so cool. Mr. Lucas, pull the bucket. I'm gonna grab him from here so I can clean him. Snickers, no. Okay. Oh, he looks so cute. Hi, Snickers. Can I love you? Can I kiss you? I'm gonna dry it out to dry him, and I'm not gonna put the heat too high because then I'll burn him. We showered him.